Welcome to today's guided meditation to make a specific person love you the way you love them. Make sure you are comfortably seated in a quiet space and gently close your eyes. Rest your hands on your belly and take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Feel your belly rise as you take a deep breath in and feel your belly sink in as you take a long breath out. Continue to take deep breaths in and out. As you are breathing in and out, you are releasing any stress and worry and becoming present in this moment. The past does not matter, and the future does not exist. The only thing that exists right now is this moment. In this moment, begin to visualize your specific person. See them standing right in front of you. See their face, their eyes, their hair, their nose, their mouth, their neck, their arms, their legs, their entire body. See everything that makes them unique. Smell their unique scent. What does their scent remind you of? Now I want you to step closer to them and embrace them in a warm hug. How do they feel? Is their body soft or hard? Feel their curves or muscles. Feel the warmth of their body. Now stare into their eyes and hear them confess to you how much they love you. What are they saying to you in this moment? How do you feel as they are confessing their love for you? As they finish telling you how much they love you, give them a deep, passionate kiss. How do their lips taste? As you are holding and kissing them, feel all of the love you two are sharing with one another. As you are imagining, holding, and kissing them, say, "Thank you, universe. My specific person finally loves me as much as I love them." Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. And let this feeling of love consume your entire body. One last deep breath in, long breath out, and slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They love me more than I love them," to affirm that you have attracted your specific person back. And if you felt the power of this meditation, it is nothing compared to how you will feel when you completely release all of those blocks and limiting beliefs about you and your specific person. Decide today that the love between you and your specific person is irreplaceable and worth fighting for, and no negative beliefs are going to stand in your way. Get the Worship Me spell and banish these limiting beliefs from your mind by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. I have thousands of 5-star reviews on my site so you can see how great my spells work. Bye, my loves. I will see you in the next meditation.